Hi, friends. I'm Eliza, and this is a warm invitation to you to join us for Healing the Wounded Healer. So, Liz and I think that this is a really unique program because it centers Eros as a healing medicine, a little transformative force to help us process and metabolize our grief and lead us into our gifts. So, really being with Eros, we're anchored in our body and our fullness, our wholeness, our minds, our hearts, our bodies, our genitals, all of us to really move us towards discovering our gifts after processing our wounds.
Thanks, Eliza. I'm Liz Randall. And when I think about this retreat and the theme of it, the more I understand that as women folk, we tend to carry the archetype of healer, but it comes in many forms. And this could be as a parent, a teacher, a nurse, an artist, fill in the blank. And we all carry wounds, and these wounds seem to squelch our aliveness in some way and our ability to access our true potency. But also, to me, our wounds and our gifts are side by side. So, our greatest gifts are side by side with our wounds, which is actually a teaching in many wisdom traditions.
So, we hope you'll consider joining us for this amazing program. And we hope you'll leave with a more embodied clarity of your purpose and gifts in your life. We hope you'll leave rejuvenated and ready to be juicy to really move forward in your life with purpose. So we hope you'll join us.
Bye.
Yay, bye.